Are you okay? Are you okay, friend?
All right.
Fine, buddy.
We're going to disappear down there.
Alright. Yeah. Oh! What's the fly?
Feet first. Feet first. I can see somebody's light.
Okay, I can just jump over and
I see the ready.
whoa,
We're able to crawl through here. Look.
like, I'm scrunching it up. Let's go, are you alive? Alright, let's go. Under this now block.
Oh yeah, you could crawl down that hole right now. Feet first. Feet first.
Okay.
Should I back up?
You guys,
Should I
feet
back
first.
up?
Now,
Feet first.
I got to get up here.
Victoria!
Hey. You could have literally went down to that hole.
The arm is just not strong as it should be.
Oh, up?
Yep.
Where I'm
We're
going
going
now.
up?
Yeah.
Okay, let's not start on that one.
Shut up, bro. It's in a year.
I see somebody peeking. I see somebody.
Did you get it? Yeah. Oh, shoot.
Very easy. He's just a little bit.
You're making me look bad. You do that way too easy. Oh, my.
I can't do that.
Partner, don't die on me. Come on, partner, don't die. Waiting.
Oh my god, wait.
Need help?
Yeah, just take care of the person behind you.
Who is that? Right there. Who is that?
Oh, can you stand up? Just hold on to the wall so you don't slip.
I'm gonna stop here for a second.
Okay. Ow. Hi. Hello.
This is fun.
You like it?
Yep.
Cool.
One dirty water bottle.
What? Wait, 10 minutes?
What? Hey, Sarah.
This is not fair. I'm petitioning this to Ellen.
Bro, they literally get like 10-minute showers.
Well, what is this?
We have to get 5-minute showers. They get 10-minute showers.
They got 10 minutes?
Yes.
What is this, bro?
We have long hair, they have short hair.
Literally, mind you. And we have to take the longest walk to our cabin.
Oh, they took the other way.
Why do they get 10-minute showers? That is so unfair, bro.
We have a longer walk. We have longer hair, meaning that we should have more time to wash our hair.
I mean, they
And
got
to get
10 whole
sweatier.
minutes.
Yes, he said that somebody took a 30-minute shower in the morning.
Are you kidding? Shower in the morning?
This is not fair. I'm supposed to take
That's it. Taking care of your buddy. Good.
No, they make
I'm
us take
You guys are doing really
I'm
good.
petitioning this. I'm petitioning the sacrifice Ellen to.
Yeah, in the morning.
Very good, guys.
Can somebody catch Teddy?
Yeah.
You don't?
Oh!
They killed Teddy. They killed Teddy.
Where's Teddy? Wait, I got
Oh, no.
Teddy!
Brady, you
Got him.
Who dropped Teddy?
Oh my god!
Teddy's
Teddy! No way, we're all so maternal over Teddy. That's kind of.
Okay, we're going to go down here. It's just a hands and knees crawl for a little bit before we drop down into the next hole, okay?
Yeah.
You want your spot back?
Oh no, you keep me.
Teddy, come on. Hey, you look perfect. Oh, it's so dusty. It must be dusty.
case, bro. Yo, I don't want to get anything but the ground.
Ew, there's mud going on my knees. Yup.
Oh, that's what the knee pads are for.
No, my knee pads are sliding off and I don't got the time to fix them.
I thought I had this helmet. My head would be so cold.
Is this the crawl? Am I lost? No, this is not the crawl.
This is just
Oh my
hands
God,
and
no,
knees.
this is a crawl, I guess.
Yeah, it's not knee crawl. Knee crawl is like 20 minutes long.
Is there a pillar behind us? Like, are you not staying here?
Okay, we're gonna go down this hole. You see it?
Oh, I cannot see anything.
That's a tiny hole.
Ow, I just
Ow, my head.
Guys, look at that tiny hole.
You guys can come in here. You can circle around here if you want.
the hole to the
I'm
cabins?
stepping on my hair.
Right, there's a massive rock over there. Is that the hole to the
This is tiring. Can I do the? I'm about to be like running out of breath during the 20-minute crawl. Like,
I'm getting a whole lot of piece of cake, bro. Go.
Guys, if I die, delete my
Bro! It's just a face full of cake that entire crawl, bro.
Fart, bro.
If I die, delete my search history.
Oh, God. If I die, delete
All right.
trust.
I'm gonna go down.
Well, my Pinterest got
Yeah.
flagged so many times. Like my old
was
Pinterest
just
account,
weird.
every single
Don't look that hell is not serious,
What is your pins?
no, I'm shedding those.
Bro, I don't think my knee pads are actually on my knees
email us
because my
back.
knees hurt.
I have like 100 of those.
All right. Listen up real quick. I'm gonna go down first.
Oh my God, are you okay?
When you're going down here, it's mostly your elbows and your arms, making yourself big and hanging on. There's not many footholds at all. Your feet will be like dangling, okay? I'll try to hold you as much as I can. Take your time. Don't drop through, okay? Because I'm going to be underneath you. You'll fall on me, squish me, and I'll cry. And I told you about me crying. Not pretty. So we're just going to, I'm going to go down here. I'm going to go first, basically, because I know how to do this.
Yo, y'all heard what he said?
And then we're just going to do this one at a time. When we get down there, okay, we're going to be headed that direction. And you're going to go through 1, 2, 3. I think it's the fourth room is the bigger room. We're going to gather there before we go any further. Okay?
Are you guys going first?
Let's see.
Please don't hammer us.
So remember, when you get down here, you got to make yourself big.
Noggin.
I know for some of you it's hard.
Some of you looking at
Where
Sarah.
is Bo?
Oh, man.
Should we just... Are you guys going?
I want to go.
Okay.
Chat. I have no.
we should let someone else go
I think we
first.
should go first.
Anyone else?
You might fall.
No, I'm definitely gonna fall.
I got this.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh wait. I thought we
Who's
were...
going first?
Bro, I actually have no.
I'm going first.
You're going. I'm gonna have to go after you.
It's fine. You can go second. Okay. We'll go second. You don't have to be next to your
Ah! All right.
Chat. I have no upper body strength. Like actually. Good luck. No, like actually none. Like I can't even do a pull-up. I can't
even do a push-up.
I can't do a push-up either.
Why are you guys competing on who sucks the most?
I can't do it. I can't do the little baby push-up.
Okay, who's first?
Me. Can I go?
Yeah, come on down. You want to try to sit here? Sit here, and then I'll guide your feet down. Just use your arms to lower yourself, okay? Take your time, slowly.
How are you?
That's it. You're perfect. Perfect.
Yes, you're good.
Okay.
I'm good. I'm not.
Get your legs out straight. Legs out straight. You'll touch the ground. There you go. All right, let me get out of the way. You're going to go down there. If you want to wait for your buddy in that room before you go to the next couple of rooms, you're welcome. Okay, next.
Ron, you don't have to go next. You can let whatchamacallit go.
Take your time.
Yeah.
Take your time. That's it. Get your legs down low. You want to feel for the ground. Almost. Whoop, bring this down just a little more. There you go. Right there. That's stepping. Now this one here all the way down to the floor. There you go. You're very good. You went that way. You guys stay together.
Do we just stay in this area?
You can keep going once you have a buddy.
Go left or right?
Go right. Okay. Take your time. Coming down. Take this. That's it. Okay. Take your time. Now, put your foot out. Put this foot out all the way. Extend it down. Okay. I'm not going to do that, huh? Oh, you got your knee in there. Good, good. Okay. Reach far. Reach far for the floor.
Mike, so as I come through.
Bring this one down. Okay, you're good. Step all the way down. You got it. You got it. Just step down. There you go. Very good.
Alan, Mike's not gonna come through if it's the belly crawl.
Yeah. Okay.
Is it the belly crawl?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Do I go now?
Yeah.
Where are you guys at?
Oh my God, kill me. Over here. Okay.
Alan,
What?
he's going back the way he came in.
He's going back the way he came in.
Got it.
Okay.
Tell him I'll catch up to him. Okay. Now sit down on that where your foot was. Sit down there. Take your time. That's it. Come on down. Come on down. Slowly. That's it. Now, this foot here. Let me guide it. Let me guide it. Don't fight me here. Okay. Put that foot there. Bring this one down. This one here, bring down. You got it. Okay. You're far enough. You can step down. You're on a rock there. Now you're good. That wasn't too bad, was it?
Nope.
Nope. Okay. They're headed down that way. You can just go sit down there and wait for your buddy.
My buddy just went.
Okay. We'll go catch up to your buddy then.
Oh, this is bad. Oh no.
No, it's not.
It's like one person.
All right. Next.
Okay. Oh my God.
Take your time coming down. Take your time. That's it. That's it. And reach for the floor. There you go.
Guys, it's like one person tall.
They went that way. Where's your buddy?
She's up there.
Okay, so wait right there for your buddy. Okay, come on down.
It is not that steep.
No, it's not that bad. Once you get to it.
Alan,
But,
Mike's waiting by the belly crawl.
all right. Okay, just reach down far. There, that foot there. Leave that one there. There you go. Head on down there.
That looks so much deeper than it was.
Yes, it's deceiving, isn't it?
I thought my bunk was high, but in reality it's not high, so like nothing's high in that logic.
I'm gonna go down after this. Wait, should I hand him? Because how?
Okay, who's next?
Bro, alright, just keep him. When you get here, just
Who's next?
you got him. Go ahead, kid. Yeah, what are you moving?
Take your time, slowly. Slowly. Use your arms to lower yourself. Okay, slowly. Slowly. There you go. Now, there's the floor. There you go. You got it. They went that way. There's your buddy.
I'm right here.
Okay. Just wait for your buddy there. And then you guys can go on to the next couple of rooms till they all gather together.
Wait up for me, Cube. Gotcha.
All right, come on down. Take your time. Come down slowly. Use your arms. Dangle your legs. Easy. Slow down. Give me this foot here. Feel that?
Yep.
Okay, that's a rock you can stand on. Now you can lower down yourself to the floor.
Oh, that's the floor?
Yeah, right there.
Alright, thank you. Do I belly?
Yeah.
All right.
Gonna go that way.
Yo, Q. Yo, I'm right here, bro. Alright, bet.
Yeah, hold up. Hold up.
We don't.
All right, come on down.
Good hair.
What?
Go down to the other room.
Yeah, it's a big room. It's a bigger room.
But what if I fall?
I gotcha. Use your arms to lower yourself, okay?
Is this the belly crawl or?
Give me this foot. Give me this foot. Let go. There. There's a rock you can stand on there. Okay? Now this foot here, go all the way down to the floor. all the way down. There's another rock there. Now you can step down to the floor. Very cool. You got it.
Wait,
No problem.
I have to do the belly crawl now.
Well, we're not quite belly crawl. We're going to go down here a couple of rooms.
Feet first or head first?
Head first is easy enough. You want to see where you're going?
Can I come down yet?
Hold on.
So where's everyone at?
Where's your buddy?
He's going down now. Okay.
Okay. Let's stay right there for your buddy. Okay, hold on a second. My thing is loose.
Jackson, do you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, you're coming down right now.
Yeah.
Okay. Sit right there where your right foot is.
Okay.
Wait, can I drop Teddy down there first?
Yeah. Sit on that ledge.
Wait, so is the belly crawl really tight?
Yeah. Hold on. There. Got your foot. This is good. Now, step down all the way. There. Hold on.
That was easy.
Here. Yeah.
Where am I going? So
That
is the belly crawl tight?
Just a little bit. It's not that bad.
Yeah.
It's really wide.
You sure?
Yeah. I fit.
If you can fit, then I can fit. If I can fit, then Jackson can fit. Can we go now?
Hold on.
Where?
No, we're going right
Keep
now.
on going. You see that passage to the right there? Yeah.
Yeah, I hear you.
Just go till you get to the big room. All right. Down.
Come down.
There we go.
Okay.
Okay. Use your arms, lower yourself, both feet dangling down. Okay. That's good. This one here, right there's good. You got a foothold there. Now, this one here on the floor. Okay. Come on down. And we're going to go down there and then to the right. Where's your buddy?
I'm in.
Please comment, like, and share. It helps others find this video.